Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you for viewing once again. Today is maintenance day for the Elantra and oil change, but today I wanted to do something a little different. I wanted to do an oil wash down. Now after it drains completely, I'm going to take a little bit of extra oil that I have laying around and pour it from the top, and hopefully the oil that comes when I pour it down will wash away some of the dirty oil that's still clinging on to the sides and scoop out the bottom, and hopefully it'll flush out some of the more of the dirty oil. Anyway, that's the theory anyway, so I'll take you along. As you can see, it's down to drippings. I'm just gonna let that all drip out for a little bit before I pour the fresh oil on top and see what comes out at the bottom. So this is what came out after the wash down. Quite a lot of dirty oil still, even though I let it drip for like 10 minutes plus. So give this a try if you're really OCD about your engine oil. I will be doing this from here on end on my vehicles. I didn't realize it would be like this, but that's good to know. Anyway guys, thanks for viewing, and we'll see you on the next one.